be determined using the method of what?
First principle.
The result obtained are as follows. The result obtained are as what? Follows. 1. When you differentiate a constant, it is equal to 0. When you differentiate a constant, is equal to what?
0.
Okay, let me say constant. Look at it differently. K, right? Which is equal to what?
0.
Where K is constant. Where K is what?
Constant.
Constant. Another one too. When you differentiate a x raised to power n, it simply means this power will come down is n a raised to power x raised to power n minus what? 1. That's the second one. We are going to use that to solve. We need to solve before this week we finish with it. 3. d over dx of exponential x is equal to exponential x. d over dx of exponential x is equal to exponential x. Now, let us take number 4 here. d over dx of a raised to power x is equal to a raised to power x, the log of the exponential raised to power a. That is the fourth one. Are you reading the fourth one?
Yes.
Okay, you were not there by my class, that's why you are not coming here to learn. Now, let's talk about number what? 5. d over dx of log ex is equals to 1 over x. Is equals to 1 over x. 6. d over dx of log ax is equal to 1 over x log exponential a. Then the 7th one, d over dx over of sine x. I mean, when you are differentiating sine x, it gives you cos x. It gives you what?
Cos x.
Number 8. Number 8. d over dx of cos x. We are differentiating cos. It was minus sine x. Minus sine x. Okay? Let's do the other one. Alright? Let me click from here. We are in number 9, right? Okay. Number 9 says, when you are differentiating tan x is equal to sec square x. Then number 10, we are differentiating d over dx Okay, let us do the other one. It will give us sec s tan s. Alright, it will give us sec s tan what?
S.
Let's take some simple what? Example. I will give you 3 examples. I'll not give you class work. I will give you 3 examples. I will give you class work. That's what I taught SS3A this morning. Alright? Let's take some example. Example what? 1. Example. Alright. Find the derivative. Find the derivative of the following. Find the I won't give you this thing, so I will be asking you a question now. Number 1, questioning method of teaching. Y is equal to sine x raised to the power of 2. Sine x raised to the power of what?
2.
Okay. Now, solution. Now, let us differentiate this. Of course, we want to differentiate this with respect to first principle, right? Abi?
Yes.
Now, what is the formula now? We say as raised to the power n, it is n a s to the power n minus 1. True or false? That's one of the formula there. So now, when you differentiate this power will come down. S raised to the power of 2 is equal to 2x raised to the power 2 minus 1.
1.
What is 2 minus 1? 1?
Yes.
So here will give us dy over dx is equal to 2 what? X. Okay, what is sine x now? What's sine x when you look at it in your book? What is sine x?
Sine x
Is cos what?
S.
So we will not differentiate everything again. Give us cos x raised to power 2. So this is the answer. Listen now. Listen. We said s raised to power 2, right?
Yes.
When you differentiate it, I'll show you just like here.
Yes.
It gives us 2 what?
S.
Okay, look at your book. If you want to differentiate sine, what did it give to you? Differentiate sine. Sine x, not cos x.
Yes.
Now you look at me now. So you want, I will not differentiate the expression, everything again. We differentiate this again, give us cos s raised to the power 2. So the answer will be 2s cos s raised to the power 2.
So we have to know this formula.
Yes, you have to cram all those formulas. Okay. Let's do number 2. Let's do number what? 2. And the example number 2 is y is equal to cos 4x raised to the power 3. Solution. Dy over dx is equal to, okay, now look at this now. Look at this one now. What are we going to differentiate first? Look at tell me.
Cos.
No.
4s.
4s raised to the power what?
3.
Then what is 4s raised to the power 3? The power we multiply 4 give us 12. Abi? Yes, it's now 12s. Then we have the 3 minus what? 1. And what is 3 minus 1?
2.
So which is raised to the power 2. Okay. When you differentiate cos, what do you give to you?
Sine.
No.
Minus.
Sine. I will not put the minus here. That is writing error. I will bring the minus and put it at the front and make it the sine 4s raised to the power 3. Sine 4s. Are you confused? SP, are you confused? SP, senior prefect is confused. Power s. Then what is a to power s there?
A raised to the power s log a.
Okay, that is dy over dx. This equals to
A
raised to the power S log EA. Are you seeing this?
Yes.
So here will be 4 raised to power S log E4.
Yes.
That is it, Abby?
Yes.
So this is, we'll be using all this formula there as time progresses in our class. Okay, you will do this as class work. You will do this as class what?
Work.
Do this as class work. Find the derivative. Find the derivative of the following. Number 1, y is equals to 2 sine x. Number 2, y is equal to minus cos x. My viewers there, this is an assignment for you. Drop it on my comment section. At Otemu